Already this is 9th standard science only. Already I said what are the portions for the half-yearly exam. The lessons are 2, 3, 11, 19. The previous classes I gave the answers for second because there is no voice lessons to you. So now we have to go for third lesson. What's the third lesson? Fluids. It's in page number question and answers. The question and answers are in page number 36. Okay. So let me go for exercises. Take a science book. Totally I have to give for 4 lessons. In this one lesson is completed. This is second lesson. And how many lessons are remaining for us? 2 more lessons. Clear? Page number 36. Take a science book. Take the page 36. Take pencils for marking the answers. Shall we start now? I think you are ready. Okay. Choose the correct answer. First one. The size of an air bubble rising up in water. 4 options are there. First option increases. Second option B increases. Then clouds float in atmospheric pressure because of their low. Option A density. And third one, in a pressure cooker the food is cooked faster because. Option B, increased pressure raises the boiling point. The fourth one, an empty plastic bottle closed with an airtight stopper is pushed down into a bucket filled with water. As the bottle is pushed down, there is an increasing force on the bottom. This is because. Option C, pressure increases with the depth. Okay, let me write the options on the board. First one, choose the correct answer. First one option is B, increases. First you have to write the option, then only you have to go for answers. Second one, D, density. Third one is B, increased pressure. Increased pressure raises the boiling point. And the fourth one is C, pressure increases with the depth. And the last one, only 4. Next we have to go for fill in the blanks. First one, so clear? B, D, B, C. Clear. Next we have to go for fill in the blanks. The weight of the body immersed in a liquid appears to be less. LESS. Second one, the instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is barometer. Barometer. Third one, I'll write the answers on the board. The magnitude of buoyant force acting on an object immersed in a liquid depends on density of the liquid. Density. Fourth one, a drinking straw works on the existence of atmospheric pressure. Okay? First answer, fill in. First one, less. Second one, barometer. And the third one is density. Fourth one, atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric, P-H-E-R-A-C-K. Atmospheric pressure. Clear, children? Next we have to go for state the true or false. Already we have seen. We have to see where is the wrong part. If it is true means no need to do any correction. False means you have to see where it is, where the error occur, and you have to underline the error, you have to circle the error and change the error by some other words. Clear? We'll see the first one. The weight of the fluid displaced determines the buoyant force of an object. That is true. First one is what I said? True. First one is true. Second one, the shape of an object helps to determine whether the object will float or not. That is false. The shape of shape. So where the error occurs, the place of the part of shape only. So you have to circle the shape, and in the place of shape you have to write density. And the third one is, the fountains of high-rise buildings are kept wide so that they may exert more pressure on the ground. More pressure. So that is false. In the place of more, you have to write less pressure. The circling word means what? Wrong. So that should be substituted by other word, correct word. Clear? And the fourth one is, Archimedes' principle can also apply to gases. True. Fifth one also, hydraulic press is used in extraction of oil from a form of seeds. That is true. Fourth one and fifth one is true. Okay. So here, first one, fourth one and fifth one is true. You have to change only two sentences. One is second, other one is third. Second one, in the place of shape, the shape of density, the shape of an object. So instead of shape, you have to write the density of an object. And next one, the foundation of high-rise building are kept wide so that they may exert more pressure. So more is wrong there. So you have to substitute the more by less. L-E-S-S. Clear? Now we have to go for match. That is, first you put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the match. First one is density. Second one is 1 gram weight. Third one is Pascal's law. Fourth one is pressure exerted by liquid. Fifth one is lactometer. Clear? So we have to say first one density. First answer. I'll write here match. That is Roman number 4. First one is density, option is, I am writing only the B side, mass by volume. Second one is 1 gram weight is equal to 980 dyne. And the third one, Pascal's law, that is pressure. It works on pressure. And the fourth one, pressure exerted by liquid, that is HPG. And the fifth one is lactometer, that is used to find out the density of the milk. So the first one, density, volume, mass by volume. 1 gram weight is equal to 980 dyne. Pascal's law, pressure. Pressure exerted by liquid, HPG. Lactometer, milk. The order is 45132. 45132. Now, here say, while coming for the question and answers, answer in brief, answer in detail. So, answer in brief, you can write 1, 2 like that. While coming for detail answer, you have to write D1, D2, D3 like that. Clear, children? So, mark down properly. Then, before that, we'll go for assertion and reason. Because that is objective type only now. So, question number 7. Roman number 7, assertion and reason. Already I said very clearly what you have to do for that. Okay, here what are the options? First one is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Next B, both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. If assertion is true but reason is false, assertion is false, reason is true. Already in the first lesson we have seen. First one, to float, body must displace liquid whose weight is equal to the actual weight. Reason, the body will experience no downward force in that case. So the answer is A. First one answer is A. What's the answer? If both assertion and reason. If both assertion and reason are true. A answer you have to write. Next one. But then what it is? Second one. Pascal's law is working the principle of hydraulic lift. Reason, pressure is thirst per unit area. So the option is B. The correct answer is what? B. What is given in the B? If both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of A. For the first one, answer is A. That is, out of 4 options, you have to select the first option and write full. Second one, the option is B. That is, if both assertion are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Clear? Children, you don't write A and B. You have to write the full answer. What all given in the part of A, you have to write full. And the same like B, you have to write full. Clear, children? Now we have to go for short answers. Answer in short, that is brief answer. On what factors the pressure exerted by the liquids depend on? I'll rub the board and I'll start from here again. Okay? I hope that the objectives are well understood by you. Now we have to go for short answers. Roman number 5. Answer in brief. First one, on what factor the pressure exerted by the liquid depends on? It's on page number 28. Page number 28. First you take down page number 28. Here 3.222. Under the heading 3.2.2. Under the heading, what are the things there? Pressure exerted by liquid, strike out at a point S. Strike out at a point S. Pressure exerted by liquid determined by depth, density of the liquid, acceleration due to gravity. All the 3 points. Clear? Full. That is under the heading. Fully we have to write. And next one, second question. Finish marking. Pressure exerted by liquid determined by depth, density of liquid, acceleration due to gravity. And next answer, second answer, we have to go for, why does a helium balloon float in air? That I have to write on board only. Why does a helium balloon float in air? It depends on you. Either you can write in the book and copy down in the classwork afterwards, or else directly you can make out in classwork. Or better you write in the book and write in the classwork afterwards. So why does a helium balloon float in the air? Open the brackets in the question itself. Helium balloon float in the air because, second answer I will write here. Because it is means what? The helium is. It is less dense than denser than air. Okay? Helium balloon floats in the air because it is less denser than air. Clear, children? Now third question also I have to write on board only, I think so. Why it is why it is easy to swim in river water than in sea water? Here the question itself wrong. It is easier to swim in sea water than river water. Okay, so change the question. You have to write because, third answer, You have to write question itself wrong. The question they are asking is wrong. So, how you have to give the answer for that? Because seawater has the greater density. Seawater has the greater density and longer buoyant force and larger buoyant force than river water. So you are writing question is wrong because seawater has the greater density and larger buoyant force than river water. Clear. Fourth one, what is meant by atmospheric pressure? Fourth short answer, what is meant by atmospheric pressure? It's in page number 35. First you take down page number 35. Here page number 35 in the opposite side, the points to remember. Under the points to remember, third point. Points to remember. Under this, you see the third point. The pressure exerted by the atmospheric gases on its surrounding and on the surface of the earth is called atmospheric pressure. Close that. Only 3 lines. Clear. Finish marking. The last one, state Pascal's law. That is also in page number 35. Fifth answer. Under the heading laws of flotation. Under the heading laws of flotation, how many points are there? The 2 points. The 2 points you would write entirely. The weight of the floating body in a fluid is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body. The center of gravity of the floating body and the center of buoyancy are in the same vertical line. Only the 2 points you would write. Sorry. Wrong it is. Once again, ma. I said laws of flotation, that is wrong. What is Pascal's law only? No. The same page number 35 only. Page number 35, that is the third point I said 4, 5, 6. Seventh point. Under the heading points to remember, seventh point. That is, Pascal's law states that an increase in pressure at any point inside the liquid at rest is transmitted equally and without any change in all direction to every other point in the liquid. Okay? So just go through. Pascal law states that, an increase in pressure at any point inside the liquid at rest. It's easy to learn because laws and all you cannot change. You have to write as it is. It's transmitted equally and without any change in all direction to every other point in the liquid. So what are the questions I gave for you? Choose over, fill in the blanks, state whether true or false, match, assertion and reason, and then what? Answer in brief. We have to go only for the detailed answer. Let me continue in other class. Thank you, children.